أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
وإذ قال موسى لفتاه لا أبرح حتى أبلغ مجمع البحرين أو أمضي حقبا.
Recall when Moses said to his servant, I will not give up until I reach the junction of the two rivers, even if it takes me years.
فلما بلغا مجمع بينهما نسيا حوتهما فاتخذ سبيله في البحر سربا.
Then, when they reached the junction between them, they forgot about their fish. It found its way into the river, slipping away.